In the last few years, the marketing industry has been reinvented, and every business requires a social media specialist. So become an in-demand and extremely well-paid social media specialist with this outstanding online social media for business course. It covers a range of useful and exciting subjects, and it will give you all the skill you need to use social media in order to enhance your business. If you're a small business owner or you hope to work in marketing, this course is an absolute must and contains a whole range of tips and tricks to get your career started. Learn to get the most out of Google+, Instagram, Facebook and much more. Social media is now a serious business tool and it can boost your customer retention rate dramatically. Once you've completed this course, you could become a social media specialist, earning upwards of £20,000. You'll be awarded an internationally recognised certificate in social media for business. Not just that, while studying with Global EduLink, you'll enjoy eligibility for an NUS Extra discount card, excellent customer service, tutor support and a user-friendly online learning portal. Join us today to start a learning journey.